if you're preparing for NEET, then an academy is hosting a webinar where you can get guidance from top rankers and educators on October 13 from 10 a.m. till 1:15 p.m. So if you're interested, you can use my code T and enroll for free. So in total, there'll be 2 sessions, and in the first session, they'll talk about time management, and in the second session, they'll talk about academics management. They'll also talk about proven strategies to crack these exams, top tips by the toppers, and importance of having a support system. You can enroll for free by using my code T, links in the description box down below. Also, the Unacademy Compact, the ultimate scholarship test for NEET UG, is going to happen on 31st October, where you get extensive compacts that cover every single subject, scholarship to win a pool of 4 crore, live compacts with thousands of learners, the best questions to bring the best in you. Questions are created by the Unacademy's best NEET UG educators. Detailed video solutions after every contest so that you get it right the next time. Don't forget to enroll. You can use my code T to grab a free seat. Also, I think this is the best time to purchase a NEET subscription. You can use my code to get exciting 10% off. Also, Unacademy provides a financial assistance, so do check the links in the description box down below.